Welcome, fellow hair enthusiasts. We know the feeling. You dream of having those long, luscious locks, and guess what? You're in the right place. In today's video, we will discuss valuable tips that'll supercharge your hair growth journey. Achieving long and healthy hair isn't solely reliant on the use of products, it begins from within. Nourish your body with hair-boosting nutrients by maintaining a balanced diet. Just a few minutes of a gentle daily scalp massage can perform miracles by enhancing blood circulation in your scalp. And the best part? This means faster hair growth. Excessive heat styling can damage your hair. Try to adopt natural hairstyle or use family hair care before heat styling. Trimming your hair regularly will help you to combat split ends, and it will also help you to grow hair faster. Try to trim your hair every 6 to 8 weeks. Use family hair care. It is one-stop solution for all your hair needs. It will help you to regrow your hair fast, repair damaged hair and improve scalp health too. Family hair care is formulated for all hair types and it is 100% natural. Brush your hair gently with wide-tooth comb and avoid those super tight hairstyles that can stress it out. Be a friend to your locks. Drink plenty of water. It will help you keep your hair moisturized. It's simple. Well-hydrated hair is strong and grows faster. Silk pillowcases sounds fancy, but it's budget-friendly. They reduce friction, which means less breakage and more hair growth. Last but not least, stress and hair loss are best buddies. So, relax, meditate, and keep stress away from your hair growth goals. Thanks for being here with us today. If you found these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe.